At Acumen, we follow a very strict 9-step methodology process, and we will interview the entire stakeholders as part of our intake. The number one is the most important, and that is understanding what are the needs, what has worked, what has not worked, understanding all those nuances. It's questions like, how do you measure success in this position? If you can describe your department culture in 5 words or less, what would you say? You'd be shocked on how many CEOs cannot answer that question about their organization. Who was your best hire and why? What was successful? We ask those type of questions because sometimes it is really hard to understand that culture. Yes, your vision mission is super important. But do you live and breathe your mission and vision? How do the other employees see that? Do they believe in it? And do they act on it on a day-to-day basis? Without those really hard intake questions, I don't think you could ask the right questions without knowing that. You three who really focus on culture and fit should be involved in those conversations. And same thing with human resources. They need to either be the ones asking the stakeholders these hard questions and then being able to take all this information and quantifying it and saying, this is what has worked in this organization and what has not.